In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert PDF to Word. If you've ever needed to turn a static PDF into an editable document so you can update text, fix typos, or reuse content, this quick process will save you time and keep your formatting as close to the original as possible. First, head to the Smallpdf PDF to Word tool in your web browser. You can use any modern browser on Windows, Mac OS, or even a Chromebook. The page is simple and focused on one task: converting your PDF into a Word document. Before you start, it helps to close any heavy background downloads and make sure your internet connection is stable so the upload and conversion run smoothly. Next, upload your PDF. You can either click the upload area to browse for your file or drag and drop the PDF straight onto the page from your desktop or File Explorer. If the file name is long, that's fine. The tool will recognize it just the same. Larger PDFs with lots of images may take a bit longer to process. If your PDF contains scanned pages, make sure the scans are clear and high contrast, as that greatly improves the text recognition quality later on. Depending on your file, you may be prompted to choose a conversion option. This is where you can decide how the tool handles your content. If your PDF was created digitally and already has selectable text, the standard conversion is great for preserving layout while making text editable in Word. If your file is made up of images or scans, look for the option that uses optical character recognition, often labeled as converting to an editable Word document. That option attempts to read the text from images so you can edit it in Word afterward. Choose the option that best matches your PDF's content and your goal, either maximum faithfulness to the original look or maximum editability of the text. When you're ready, click Convert. You'll see the tool begin processing your file. During this step, try not to refresh or close the tab. For larger documents, give it an extra moment. The service is analyzing layout, fonts, and images to rebuild them in a Word-friendly format. Once the conversion finishes, you'll see confirmation that your Word version is prepared. A few quick tips before you move on with your document. Keep a copy of the original PDF as a reference, especially if you plan to compare formatting. After opening the Word version, scan through headings, tables, and lists to ensure everything looks right. And if you work with scans often, aim for clear, straight pages to get the best text recognition next time.